Yo guys, what's going on? Monday to 6 here, back to 2004 Toyota Sequoia, and today we're going to be installing these interior LED lights. A direct plug and play, nice upgrade. We got some good quality LEDs. There will be a link in the description for all these bulbs you see here. Alright you guys, hope you enjoy. Going to be getting some good before and after video at night so we can really tell how bright these LED lights are. Here are the interior map lights. Great LED upgrade. We got everything we need here for the LED bulb upgrade. We have our 194 T10 LED bulbs. We have our festoon bulb for the rear hatch area. We have some Gorilla Tape to help extract the stock incandescent 194 bulbs. We have a flat screwdriver here to help pop the covers off of the light housings. Getting ready to replace this factory incandescent bulb. Go ahead, just flip the switch to off, make sure that light bulb gets nice and cool. Get yourself a flat screwdriver, get in here, cover will just pop off that easy. If you want to, take that same screwdriver right here to this tab, and the bulb will just simply fall out. Here is a side-by-side comparison. The left is the stock incandescent bulb for the rear hatch, and the right is the new LED upgrade. The back of the bulb also has this aluminum heat sink here to dissipate the heat. Just a really nice overall quality bulb here for a replacement. Installing this LED upgrade bulb's pretty easy. You just want to get the back rocked in here, and then we'll slide the front up into place. Kind of hard to do with one hand. I got to depress this tab here, but we'll go ahead and we'll get this LED bulb installed. Went ahead and got the bulb installed here. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Might blind you. Super bright replacement. You can go ahead and leave this on, door or off, however you want to. Which is a really nice upgrade. And we'll go ahead and we'll just pop this factory cover back on. All installed. Ready to go. Here we are in the back seat. We have our DVD player here. We're getting ready to replace these factory incandescent bulbs right here. Go ahead, just grab yourself a flat screwdriver. You see that there are some tabs here. All you gotta do, pry those out of the way. The cover just takes a little finesse. Should pop off just like that. Alright, we do have these little cone shrouds right here. If you just want to go ahead and depress that tab. There's two of them. Just work this thing out here. Just press this guy. Just come right out, just like that. Next we just got to remove this bulb. Sometimes it can be a little tricky to get these bulbs out, so I went ahead, got the Gorilla Tape here, going to show you how to get these bulbs out. They're sunk in there pretty good, kind of hard to remove with your fingers. You can get a pried tool in here, but you run the risk of breaking the bulb off in the socket, and that would be hard to get out. So we'll go ahead and we'll show you how to remove it with this Gorilla Tape. Alright, went ahead and got a piece of Gorilla Tape here. It's super sticky, so what you want to do is just stick it on one side of the bulb like this. Kind of get it around as much as you can. We'll go it out just like that. Okay, we got our LED. Doesn't matter which way you put this in. Go ahead, just put it in the socket, and the bulb is installed. Just go ahead and reinstall the little metal heat shield shroud, same way we took it out. Went ahead and got that metal heat shield back on, so let's go ahead and test and make sure it works. It's working good. Let's go ahead and put the cover on. Got the lens reinstalled. Just look how bright that light is. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the stock one. Just look at the difference. Alright, let's go ahead to the front map lights. Here we are at the front map lights. Just super dim, super dark factory bulbs. Go ahead and just get this screwdriver here. Just pry it, make sure you don't scratch your plastics. But this cover will pop off just like that. Alright. There is the factory bulb. If you want to, you can take this little metal cover off here, or you can go ahead and try your luck with the Gorilla Tape. Went ahead and got the bulb out. Found this is the easiest way instead of taking this little metal shroud off that is a pain. So you can see I just grabbed the tape around it and just yank it out, and the bulb comes with the Gorilla Tape. Okay, here's the bulb. This is the same one we're using as the back. Gonna go ahead, plug it in. Easy as that. There you go. Here's a good look. There's the factory. Here's the LED upgrade. Okay, we'll just get our cover here. Rock it back into place. Click up. And there we go. Super bright LED light. It's going to be a real good comparison at night. Okay, next brings us to our door lights here. They also take the 194 bulbs. We're going to go ahead and just pop this cover off, remove the bulb, and install the LED upgrade. Let's go ahead and grab our flat screwdriver here. Right. Looks like it's removing the whole housing. We don't need that. We just need this cover. Go ahead and we'll just pop it off just like that. And that gives us access to our bulb. Be careful here. It's really hot. Just grab the Gorilla Tape and remove that bulb. Okay, we got that tape covering that bulb. Careful, it's hot. Just like that. Alright, let's go ahead and replace this with the LED upgrade. Okay, we got our 194 bulb here. Gonna go ahead, rock it into place, and we have our LED bulb installed. Okay, once the bulb is installed, we'll go ahead and we'll install our cover. If you just want to repeat that process for the other 3 doors, you go ahead and you'll have all the door LED lights installed. Here are the interior map lights. Here's the middle row lights. And here is the rear cargo lights. Alright, these are all the stock interior bulbs right now. We're going to go ahead and we're going to start switching them out with the LEDs. Alright, I have the rear hatch area festoon LED bulb switched out, and I have all the bulbs here on the driver's side switched out. Just goes to show you how bright just one side is. Still have not switched out the passenger side yet, but this is all driver's side LEDs. So much brighter, plug and play, great upgrade. Alright, here we go. We have all the lights switched out to LEDs. This is just how bright it is. Man, what an amazing difference here. Just look how bright it is inside there. Looks awesome. Great LED upgrade. There will be a link in the description for all the LEDs that you see here. Let's go ahead to this passenger side. Super bright LEDs. Really impressed. Alright, you guys. Hope you enjoyed the LED upgrade video. And once again, Monday86 out. The map lights. Here is the stock one. Here is the 194. Real big upgrade there. There you go, just to show you a little side by side. Here's the factory. Here is the LED. Super bright. Tried to find the biggest LED I could find to fit inside that 194 T10 socket. Think I did a pretty good job.